Welcome back to Whelen Software Walkthroughs and How-Tos. Today we're going to talk about the Properties page. So underneath the Properties page, depending on the button you have selected, the options will change. Here I will select the hands-free button and show you that I can now change the siren tones for our hands-free button. If I select one of the additional inputs, you'll see that we get options to be able to change the electrical connection from positive to ground. So let's look at a standard button. So I'll click on switch 20 and you will see that the input is enabled. If we did not want this input to be enabled, we could uncheck this box. We can also play an activity tone, which is an audible beep that will play every few seconds when the button is active. We can also change the switch type from press on to press off, press on release off, a security timer, which is a double press to activate, or a variable timer from 100 milliseconds up to 10 minutes. By checking the save state, we could save the state of the button so when the vehicle is turned off and back on, any buttons that have the save state checkbox checked and were active when the vehicle is turned off will come back on when the vehicle is restarted. We can also choose an image label so we can have the control head in the vehicle match the control head in the software. On the Properties page under Buttons, you can turn on and off other buttons on the control head. Underneath Outputs, you can turn on and off other outputs. Here, output 4 is being turned on. By default, the flash pattern is set to steady. If we click on the steady pattern symbol, it'll open the Edit Flash Pattern window. Here, we see we can rename the output. We'll call this one Blue Driver. We can now change the flash pattern. I'll choose Single Alert 60. We can set the custom phase, and we can set the custom delay. Once all your changes have been made, you can click Apply. Here we see the Single Alert 60 pattern symbol has been applied to the output. We can simulate this flash pattern by clicking on the Simulate button. Here Single Alert 60 is being displayed. If we wish to reduce the intensity of the output, putting the light head into low power, we can click on the Low Power checkbox. We can also select a tone to play whenever we activate this button by choosing a tone from the tone selection list. Here I chose Tritone. Please stay tuned for our next video where we talk about the light bar page. Thanks for watching.